Hey guys, this is Ivan from Jelev Industries, and this video is simply about the export of the connections for our engineer on IDEA Statica checkbot in TEKLA Structure. So here I have TEKLA Structure, I have a 3D view, I have installed previously the IDEA Statica plugin checkbot, and I've received instructions from the engineer on which connections the engineers wants me to export, and this is simply to avoid like remodeling all the connections. So you'll receive this document from our engineer that requests which connections he or she wants to export for review. So this is the procedure on how to proceed with this. So first of all, the first one, actually the one I'm at right now, is this one. This is from the stringer to the landing channel. So I will be exporting this one. So first I'll open the checkbot. Oh, it's already open. So where is it at? Okay, checkbot is here. Technically, the first time it would ask you to create the project, and simply what it does is in the model, it will create a new subfolder with the same name as the folder. So you'll have access to all the information from IDEA Statica in there. I already created it with the CSA code. Since we're in Canada, we use CSA code. So what we will do is we will select one connection. The bulk tool works, but not very often, so I prefer using the one, and so I'm simply selecting one by one each connection. So I will do one. I will go back into TEKLA. I will select the main member. Oh, it didn't select the main member that are connecting. I will click enter. Then I will select all the connecting elements. So this includes the bolt, the angle, the welds will typically follow with the angle, and then I will include also the end plates and the holding plates, since they're kind of in this connection. And then I will click enter again. Right now what will happen is this connection will be created in IDEA Statica. You can take note of the connection. It's going to be a different number for you. This is C646. So if you have IDEA Statica, you'll be able to open it. If you don't, it's okay. You don't really need to. I simply want to show you guys what it looks like when we open a connection. So right now IDEA Statica is loading. So if we look at it, it's not 100% perfect, but at least like the angles are correct. Some of the welds are already here, some of the bolts are already here. So our engineer can proceed and simply apply the charges and verify that the connection is good. So this one would be already good for export. So we can close this one. Honestly, there's nothing else to it. So we simply need you to do like all the connections that we request on the project, just for verification on the engineering side. We would need the worst case scenario. So let's say this one, we would need like the longest one, because on this project we have several lengths. So we need the worst one. So for our engineer will be able to verify that. From now on, we can simply close this. We will open the project folder. I'm simply finding it right now. So this is the model that I have is right here. This is the TEKLA model. If I go inside of it, we will see like a folder with exactly the same name. This folder is for IDEA Statica. And if we go into the connection folder, these are all the connections that I have exported so far. So the last one that we just did is connection 646. So this would be the file for the connection that I just exported. So I will simply need all of the connections that our engineer has done in this file. We would need like the connection file from IDEA Statica. So in this case, these files. So you can ship those either to the engineer or the project manager, and we'll be able to proceed from there. Thank you. Have a nice day.